Hey y'all, it's your girl Maya and I am back with another video, and in today's video, as you can see, we have a mukbang. Effortlessly. But yeah, we got some birria tacos and I'm gonna get right on in because I am hungry and I waited in traffic for almost 2 hours for these tacos. Technically, I was going to an appointment, but I missed the appointment because the traffic was, I don't know what was going on, but traffic was terrible. And it's never bad like that. Today is National Taco Day. And yeah, I just felt like I couldn't, and it's Taco Tuesday. It's National Taco Day and it's Taco Tuesday. So I just felt like I couldn't pass up this opportunity to get tacos. I am on like a cut, if you will. Not really like a cut. I'm just eating clean right now. But I just, after that traffic, y'all, I needed tacos. I was debating on getting it. Then that traffic happened and I was like, oh girl, you need some tacos. Oh, it's so good. Especially after eating clean. Oh, this is delectable. I got 2 birria tacos and 1 chicken taco because I wanted to feel a little cleaner, healthier. This is like some avocado salsa. I love tacos so much. Got some pickled red onion. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. That's spicy. Ooh, I need some water. I put that in the bag with the jalapenos and ooh, that jalapeno juice got up on there. That's so spicy. I I cannot handle spice. Clearly. I cannot handle spice. Oh, that's so hot. Don't ask me to do no type of spicy challenge. I've done the Buffalo Wild Wings one. It was on my old YouTube channel, but it got taken down. But I would not do that again. I know it's going to be somebody in the comments like, why are you slurping eating tacos? When the food is juicy. That's just how it happened. I got some rice and beans. I should have warmed them up. I put the tacos in the air fryer. They honestly could have been in there a little longer, but I usually burn mine to the point where they don't look cute. And I didn't want that to happen for the video. So I didn't want to overcook them. I would say this is probably like, at the moment, my favorite taco spot for Birria in Vegas. Getting these tacos was a great decision. Yeah, let's try the chicken taco. They could use a little bit more onion and cilantro. But other than that, also, well, I guess I did put it in the air fryer. Maybe it kind of cooked it and I just can't see it. But that's the only thing I would say. A little more onion and cilantro. And I just like the fact that they're not stingy with the tacos. They're not stingy with the tacos, like the meat in the taco. And they also take the fat off of their birria. Too many places I go to and the birria is so fatty. And chicken taco is good too. The birria is better. Mm-mm. Don't fall. The camera is far away enough from me where I'm not looking in it for real. So I'm really eating these tacos as if the camera wasn't right here. Usually I'd be trying to eat all cute. Ain't nothing cute about it. I'm hungry. I could really eat tacos all day. Or not all day, but every day. But I feel like if I ate them every day, I would probably get sick of them. Like at some point. Oh, okay. So let me address the elephant in the room since I'm eating tacos. Um, I had a video that went, I don't know what viral for YouTube is considered, but it's at over 150,000 views, one of my shorts, and it gained me like almost 200 subscribers. So welcome. Hello, y'all. I hope that y'all watch this video because it's also about tacos. um, but that's crazy. Like, that's honestly so crazy. I post as of right now every Sunday, and 2 Sundays ago, I was at like 260 something subscribers. And then like when I went to post the next video, I was already up like 75 subscribers. I'm like, what the hell? What the heck? What the hell? So, hello. I appreciate y'all. Um, I hope y'all like it here. And yeah. Mm. Mm. I brought up that video because I was going to address one of the comments in the video, but I forgot which comment. Oh, it was like a lot of comments saying like, oh, I know you fart a lot, or like be going to the bathroom a lot and stuff like that. Maybe I don't eat tacos that often, but why don't tacos be having y'all farting? What's that? I know like when you eat a lot of protein, you can start to be a little farty. Um, but I've never eaten so many tacos to where I'm like, oh God, I've been farting a lot. Y'all do know that was a trend. It just be trolls, but that was a trend. I literally scounged. Is that the word? Like, I don't think I said that right. But I went through my camera roll. I was like, girl, you eat tacos all the time and you be filming videos. I know you got some videos of you eating tacos. I was like, let me just find all the videos of me eating tacos I can find. And I feel like I probably have more. But them was the only ones I could find. But clearly, hey, I'm grateful for the video. I'm grateful for all the subscribers I've gained for the video. I mean, I want to say I hope we will be at 500 subscribers by the end of the week. I already know. And that's crazy. I started this month with 260 something subscribers. Like, y'all did that. Y'all did exactly that. I feel like that proves consistency really matters because out of all my platforms, honestly, YouTube is the only one that I've been consistent on. And that's partly because you can schedule posts. I usually have my shorts scheduled out. It's not like that this month. I need to fix that. But it's scheduled out like to at least the teens. Um, I schedule my shorts out. Um, I've posted I've been posting shorts consistently for quite some time. I don't want to say quite some time, but for a good portion of the year. Before I got consistent with posting long form videos. I've been consistent posting long form videos once a week for like going on 6 months now. I would say going on 7 months now because like I think last month it was 5 months, so this month should be 6 months. So yeah, consistency matters. And just trying new things and not expecting everything to be perfect. I didn't think, did I think I was going to eat all these tacos? Not really. But I ain't mad at it. They was good. I'm mad I made my red onion hot. Like, I knew that was jalapeno, but, like, I didn't think it was going to make it hot. And yet, I know how that sounds. I don't be thinking things through sometimes. Oh, God. Oh, God. I just spilled half the salsa on the tray. I hope my lipstick not too messed up. Oh, y'all, that was so great. That was delicious. If you made it to the end of the video, definitely make sure you give this video a like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and leave me a comment if you like this type of video. I'll make more. If y'all don't like this type of video, let me know. Yeah, just engage with me in the comments. And hello to any of my new subscribers. I really appreciate you for being here, and I will see y'all in my next video.